So I thought I would share my Kmart finds with you guys. So this is a Kmart haul, and they closed all of our Kmarts down, but luckily we live about an hour away from a super center that did not close. They were having a 60% off sale, so I wanted to go and see if I could rack up for Connor in the upcoming, not for this winter, but for this coming spring, summer, and next winter, if that makes sense. I got in these little fleece joggers. These were $14.99, and these were not marked down. These were not on sale, but I just really love them. They have little pockets on them, and for him to carry little toys and stuff around. I did find this fleece zip up hoodie. It was $12. I got it in a 10-12, so the size above what he would actually wear in a jacket for this coming winter. And it was $12, marked down to $5.39. Has a spaceship on it, and it says 321. I found these cute slip-on shoes for the spring and summer. I got them in a size 12. He will really be going into a size 13. But these slip-on shoes run a little bit big, and they were $4.98. They were not on sale, but I grabbed those anyways. I will have pictures of all this stuff as well, so you can see it in its entirety. But I picked him up the Spider-Man shirt. It's black, glittery, kind of like Spider-Man thing. A red kind of border up there. I got it in a size 8. These were, I think, right at $8. This was marked down to 5 something. Shirt, the next shirt I'm going to show you, and the shoes are all for his birthday. Like I said, he was not really going to get any toys, except maybe 1 or 2. Then he's getting clothes for spring and summer. He loved this one. He could not wait to get this one home and show it to Daddy. They both love pizza. And it says, "I'm just here for the pizza." They had a lot of pizza shirts, but I think he loved this one because of the cute smile, or, well, face on there. Also, it was $8.99, but it was marked down to $5. And he also got a 2-piece Christmas pajama set. He had to wear it right away, so I didn't even get to wash it. You know how kids are. And he put it on yesterday. So if I can get a picture of him in it, I will. It's a skull. Skulls with different, like, Christmas hats, reindeer, antlers, things like that on their heads. And the pants are a nice sweater looking print, but with skulls on them too. So cute. And I got that $10, marked down to $5. And then I did find a couple things for myself, of course. And this is a beautiful maroon burgundy sweater. Well, it's a sweatshirt. It has a hood. It's kind of made of thin material, but it says blessed on it. It has a heart. The arms of it has white stripes on it. I did get it in a 3X. It was $20, marked down to $10. So you really can't beat some of these savings. We saved a lot of money, actually, even though I do feel that Kmart's prices are a bit jacked up versus our Walmart, but that's just me. And I just love, you know, I'm a stay-at-home mom, and I just love hoodies and leggings and yoga pants and all that good stuff. So I just love me a good hoodie. And then I wanted a new pair of house slippers, so I found these, and they were $10, marked down to $5. And some of their other slippers were like $3, $3.99, but I am just a sucker for leopard and cheetah print. And then also, you guys already know, it wouldn't be a full complete haul with at least one makeup item to show. So next we're going to do makeup. Last, I picked up a couple makeup items. Like I said, this says just add sun. And this is a nail polish. It's called Twinkle Toes, so I feel like that's a play on the Flintstones. I don't know. But anyways, it's a light holographic gold nail polish, glittery one. Indoors it looks like this, and then in the sunlight it changes to this. And they had some beautiful ones, but they were $5.99 each. And I just don't know how well they're going to work, so I just grabbed the one. I can always go back. And Jordana has a 12-hour made-to-last liquid eyeliner pencil in black point. This was $2.50. And I actually was really excited about finding Jordana makeup there, but it was kind of saddening. The makeup section there was saddening compared to our old Kmart that was here. But I picked up those 2 items in the makeup haul. Then in the Christmas stuff, they had all their Christmas stuff marked 50% off. So they had 2 of these LA Colors Bold Eyes, and they're in the tins. I have the nude eyes that I found at Family Dollar. Now, I found Bold Eyes, which I hadn't seen or didn't even know about, at Kmart. They had 2 left, so I bought them both. I bought myself one, nice pretty colors in there, and I bought you guys one. But I'm still collecting other giveaway items because I've hit over 7,000 subscribers now. Woohoo! And yes, so one of these is yours, along with a bunch of other products, and I'm still collecting. And we will have a giveaway soon. So stay tuned for that, you guys. Lots of fun items and some of my favorite products will be included in that giveaway. So that's my haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Stay tuned for more videos. Like the video, comment, subscribe if you haven't already. And always check the description box for additional links.